Alright, so it's rainy outside today, so we're hoping this rain clears up by the time we go to the jet boat tours, which is where we're heading today. I guess it really doesn't matter because we're gonna get soaked anyway. But this afternoon is supposed to be like 25 degrees, which is kind of nice. And yeah, it's raining out right now. This is where we are, just so you guys can see it. Alright, I'm gonna pack up the camera and we're gonna go to Niagara on the Lake. Okay, so we're here at Niagara on the Lake, and we're just gonna walk around a bit, find something to eat, and then get on the boat ride. That's all. Oh yeah, we gotta go find food. Food's important. Alright, so we got something to eat because that's important. And look, check out. Look, on my advertisement for Whirlpool. Yep, had to buy some shorts because I only got one pair left and I'm gonna get soaked today. So we're gonna head off on the ride and we will see you after. You all dry? Mostly. That's good. So that was the most fun we've had, I think, at least for me on this trip. I think that was awesome. Yeah, Whirlpool Jet Boat Tours from Niagara on the Lake. You should go do it. I would do that again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I would do it again. Super fun. Where are we gonna go now?
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls. We're gonna go right into the, I guess, town of Niagara Falls,
Yeah.
right? And we're gonna do some walking around. All right, let's go there now, I guess.
So wait, before you want me now to take you home. My motel room ain't got no floors, but it's bright inside.
You're laughing at me now? Right, so we decided to come for dinner and not go walking around Niagara Falls tonight because it's crazy busy. We drove around for half an hour and couldn't find any parking. And any parking we did find was like $30. So no. Especially when we were in the stateside Niagara Falls and parking was $10 right at the falls. So $30 is kind of ridiculous. So we're going to eat and then see what else we can do. All right, it's exciting. Figuring out what we're doing next. All right. All right. So here's the issue I have with places like Niagara Falls. It's lovely. It's beautiful. The falls are nice. But things like eating, it's so overpriced. We just ate some basic chicken and french fries here. Came to $75 for 3 of us. And we, had a simple milk for Harley, 2 pops, like I said, chicken and french fries with gravy. 75 bucks. That's ridiculous. Well, what do you do when you're here? Alright, anyway, we're gonna be off, and I don't know what we're doing now. We'll figure it out.
The liquor speaks so you can free your mind. And I've told you at least 100 times that love can make you blind. And I'll see you in the corners of his bed, 'cause I can't get you out my head, no. Now I wanna see you again. Your hair is falling in your face, and there is no better time or place. We can't let this night go to waste. Between the sheets we leave our dreams.
Okay, so we're here at Port Colborne at the, what is this called? The
Port Promenade.
Port Promenade. And weird, Sunday, 6:30.
Zombies.
I think, yeah, I think everything's just closed. There's nothing. It's kind of like the whole area has completely shut down. Long weekend, Sunday evening, and closed. Bizarre. So I think we're just gonna go back to the hotel and relax. And are we doing anything tomorrow? I don't know. If you see a video tomorrow morning, then yes, we did. If you don't, no, we didn't. So that's it. And we're gonna leave you there for tonight as we meander back home. Well, to our hotel.